Hello and welcome back to Sew and Stack. Today I'm showing you how to do the back stitch. As you can see, this is the back stitch and it is a continuous stitch without any gaps in between. Now I'll show you how to do the back stitch. Now let's start. First, thread your needle and make a knot at the end. Then push your needle from back of the fabric and pull all the way. Make a forward stitch like this by going down through the fabric. Now it's the different part. You leave a space for one stitch length and come up through back of your fabric like this and pull all the way through. Now instead of going forward, move your needle back and down through the same hole where you ended the previous stitch. By doing that, you fill the gaps in between. It makes a continuous line. Again, leave a space for one stitch length, come up, pull all the way, back down through the same hole. Once again, come up from back of the fabric, move your needle back and down through the fabric where you ended the previous stitch. Now we are all done. As always, end your stitch with couple of extra knots to secure the stitch. And cut the extra thread. Back stitch is a basic stitch we use in embroidery to outline, and it is also good in securing seams. Now we are all done and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching and I'll join you in the next video.